Welcome back mga papa. Time again for another vlog. This time, bisitahin naman natin ang mundo ng volleyball. After its successful invitational conference where Japan ablaze defeated Creamline Cool Smashers to capture the crown, nakabreak ang mga kupunan as of the moment and we'll see action again this October. For the past weeks, mga papa, may maugong na balita that Gia Macing, Gia Morado won't be back next conference for the Creamline Cool Smasher. Well, dalawang reason ang lumalabas, mga papa. First is Gia will focus on her family. Alam naman natin that Gia is already married and base nga sa mga balita, although not official, they might be planning to have a child already. The second reason naman mga papa is that Gia will be playing overseas as an import. Well, maalala nyo mga papa, isa si Gia sa mga nagpasa ng application sa Korean Volleyball League last March para sa kanilang ASEAN quota. Although hindi napili o na-drop si Gia, but still, I believe, nandun pa rin yung desire niya to play outside of the country. So most likely, if hindi nga siya makakabalik this October, this might be the reason. Marami ang lumalabas na balita sa social media mga papa na nagsasabi na ang team might be the Denso Erebis ng Japanese Volleyball League Division 1. Pero if you will look sa internet, so far wala naman tayong nakikita na concrete details na totoo nga ang balita na yan. So everything na nakikita natin sa internet, unless the confirmation will be coming from Gia herself at management ng Creamline Cool Smashers, lahat yan is just speculation. Well mga papa, if matutuloy nga si Gia sa Erebis sa Japan Volleyball League or different team, we should be proud of Gia. Fan ka man ng Creamline or hindi. Kasi mga papa, it is an indication that the quality of volleyball players we have is tumataas na and other league in Asia is starting to look at our players. Who knows mga papa, in the coming years to come, hindi lang mga basketball players natin na maglalaro sa overseas league, but many volleyball players as well. Abangan na lang natin mga papa ang official announcement coming from Gia and Creamline management. Till next time mga papa, always remember, dito sa Papa Sports World, ang opinion mo ay mahalaga. Bye bye!